Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to make this gorgeous and extra beautiful flower pot with the quilling flower decoration, and this is actually the fridge magnet in oval shape. So I will share how to make the base, how to construct the flowers, how to make the basket, everything. And you can stick it on fridge or any metal almirah. Isn't it looking very vibrant and attractive? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am showing you how to make the oval shape. So I am taking 3.5 cm radius and making one circle on cardboard piece. Now using the same radius connecting with the previous circle, I am making one more circle. Now we have to make one line by joining both the centers. Then taking the diameter of the circle on my rounder and using the same center, bisecting the center point on both the sides. So we have to use both the circle centers and bisecting. Now we have to bisect points, then taking the measurement from this point to this point, and using bisect point as the center, we have to make arc on top and in the bottom. And now we have beautiful oval shape made in few steps. Very easy. Now I am trimming my oval design quickly using scissors. Like this. Then here I have cut two more ovals. So I am joining all three together and making one thick base so that it can hold all the weight of quilling flowers and basket. Burnish it nicely. And then covering it using white color sheet. The white sheet is having 120 GSM thickness. Just finish it till the end. And now I am adding one beautiful designer oval shape on top of this. So the base for magnet is ready. Then I am starting with making the coils to decorate the oval from outer edge. Here I am taking 1/6 strip of peach color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly, we need lots of tight coils to add on the edge. Taking back the oval shape and start adding these tight coils one by one. and this is completely ready. Very pretty. Then I'm starting with making the basket. For this I'm taking half strip of light brown color in 3mm and making one tight coil. So in total we need 51 coils. Now taking back the base, and here I'm starting with my first row of the basket and connecting total 9 coils like this. Now below the 9 coils I am adding total 8 coils. Then 7 coils. So I am decreasing the number of coils till we reach 3 coils. So we have reached to the 3 coils. Now below the 3 coils I am adding 4 coils and then 5 coils. So in this way I have completed my basket shape. Very pretty. Then I am starting with making my first flower, that is rose. So to create the innermost petal I am taking here half strip of red color in 2mm and making one tight teardrop shape. Then for the medium layer petal I am taking one strip of red color in 2mm and making one teardrop shape. And for the outermost layer I am taking here 1.5 strip of red color and making tight teardrop shape. Now taking my quilling mold and shaping all the teardrops as the dome, add glue inside all the shapes. And spread it nicely with brush. So we need 3 small shapes, 5 medium shapes and total 6 large shapes. Now here I am taking this silicone glue to construct the rose. Taking one piece of red paper, add glue on this, spread it evenly using toothpick. And then it's time to construct the rose. So I'm starting with the innermost petals, tucking each petal inside each other so that it will look like the bud. And around this I am adding the next layer, that is 5 petals. And for the outermost layer I am adding 6 petals. The super beautiful rose is ready. Allow it to dry for 24 hours. So it's completely dried. Now I am trimming the excess paper around the rose. and this is ready. Very pretty. And with the similar method I have prepared one more rose and one small size rose on which I have added only 2 layers, innermost and medium one. So all these 3 beautiful red roses are ready. Now starting with the filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of white color in 2 mm, making one leaf shape. Now I am joining total 7 petals together and making the flower. Then for the center of the flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil, sticking it in the center, and flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 6 flowers. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light sap green and 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making simple leaf shape. So I have already prepared lots of leaves. Now to make scroll, here I am taking 2 1/4 strip of dark green color and 2 1/4 strip of light green color. Gather all together, folding it from center and twisting it using tweezers. Cutting the excess strips from bottom, secure the end using glue, and the super cute tiny mini scroll is ready. With the same method, we need total 6 scrolls. Now to make the next flower, here I am taking half strip of pink color in 7 mm, folding it 2 times like this and start cutting the fringes from one corner. Now opening the strip and roll it using your quilling tool and make the fringe flower. Opening all the fringes. Just shaping it nicely with the scissors in a circular shape, and this is ready. And with the same method, we need some more fringe flowers. So our beautiful floral platter is ready, and now it's time to decorate our basket with the handmade flowers. So taking back my base, and first I'm connecting the roses, and then I'll fill the remaining gaps using white flowers. To give the dimension to white flower, here I am adding some small tight coils in the base which are made using 3 mm strips, so that it will have the same height as roses, and adding some behind the raised flowers. Then adding fringe flowers, leaves and scrolls. Now randomly here and there I am adding some water droplets which are ready-made one. And now you can see my videos in Hindi language as well. You just need to select the language as Hindi. So if you are not comfortable in English language, you can select the Hindi as well. Now on back side of the design I am sticking the magnet using glue. This is a strong magnet. Allow it to dry for a few minutes, and tada, your beautiful oval shaped flower basket fridge magnet is ready. It's looking very attractive and very beautiful. I'm just loving it so much. I'll keep it for myself only. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.